everybody, it's Jen and welcome to LUXYLISH. Today our video is going to be about Soft Glam Makeup. It's this beautiful, almost full matte, monochromatic makeup look, usually earth tones and nude colors. Everything is super well blended and the edges are blurred, no crisp lines in sight, and a very elegant look. It's a huge trend right now. I've seen it everywhere on social media, and celebs like Selena Gomez, Zendaya, Gigi Hadid, and the Jenner sisters are wearing it, and it's actually not that hard to do. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do this look. Plus, I'm going to be featuring some of my most affordable yet very, very effective makeup brushes, because Soft Glam is all about blending, and you achieve great blending by using the right tools. All of that coming right up. Alright, let's get started. But let me tell you quickly about these brushes from Ecotools. The dual-ended Enhancing Eye Set. $6 for 4 brushes, each one with 2 sides. Blend and smudge, define and shade. They're affordable, but they deliver great results. I already have my base and brows done. Let's head over to the eye makeup. I start by using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as my eyeshadow base, and I put this all over my lids with my fingers. Make sure to cover the inner corner as well. Now, using the blending brush, I pick up this matte bone color eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette, and I am lightly dusting that all over my lids to set the concealer and to avoid creasing. Now, with a shade brush, I'm taking this medium shade warm brown from the same palette and placing that on my crease, putting most of the color on the outer corner and then fading it out with less color towards the inner corner, almost connecting it to the inner end of my brow. This creates the illusion of bigger lids. Now I'm taking the shade brush, and with this lighter terracotta shade, I'm going to blur the edges of the brown eyeshadow. With a smudge brush and this plum shade, I will define the outer corner, just packing the deep color here. By the way, you don't need to have this specific brush. Any fluffy eyeshadow brush will do. Taking the light brown again and blending the edges so that the colors look like they seamlessly melt into each other. Picking up some Shape Tape Concealer again, just a tiny bit. And with a flat eyeshadow brush, I will create a soft cut crease here. Very subtle, just to clean up the excess. And then I soften the edges with my finger. With a smudge brush, or any pencil brush, smoke out the bottom lash line as well, using the same colors that we put on the lids. Use the blending brush to soften. Next is the eyeliner. I am using Cybercolors Ultra Stay Fine Liner in number 3 dark brown. I'm just going to line my upper lash line with this. Starting from the inner corner, make the line nice and thin, then gradually make it thicker as you work your way to the outer corner. Extend the end slightly higher to create the wing. Now, with the defined side of the brush, or use any fine angle brush, soften the edges of that winged liner. Coat top and bottom lashes nice and thick with black mascara. Moving on to contour. I'm using Fenty Beauty Matte Skin Sticks in Mocha. So you do the fish face, place the contour color on top of that hollow, soft part of your cheeks. Placing the shade slightly higher defines and lifts the cheekbones. Now for my quick nose contour trick. Put some of the contour color onto your ring fingers and glide it on the sides of your nose. up to the bridge to connect with the brows. I also contour under the jawline and under the chin to make that area look slimmer. And then I put some contour by the hairline so it's all balanced. Using another dual-ended brush, this time from Everyday Minerals, the angled and mineral brushes, I'm using this angled brush to blend out the contour with circular motions. The contour should look very subtle and soft. For the nose contour, I just smudge it with my ring fingers, then blend out with a beauty sponge. For blush, I am placing NARS liquid blush on the apples of my cheeks and blending it with my fingers. For lips, I opted for a peachy brown nude color to match my eyeshadow. This is NYX Simply Nude Lip Cream in the shade Exposed. I soften the edges with my fingers. Now I take the same brown eyeshadow that I used on my crease, and with a smudge brush, I trace my lip line with it to create that gradient effect. It's like the smoky eyes technique, but for the lips. I blend the edges together with my finger, and then I add on some lip gloss, but you can also go for matte lips. To tie everything together, I am using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Deep. And with a big fluffy mineral brush, I am lightly dusting this on my face to really blur and blend all the colors together. Adding some glam to this look, I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbones with Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector and Champagne Pop, and also a bit on the bridge of my nose. For lashes, I am using Duo Lash Adhesive on my Ardell Demi Wispies and applying it by placing the middle part first on my lash line, and then the inner end, and lastly the outer end. Hold in place for a few seconds. Done! To finish the eye look, I'm using my bronzer and a blending brush to connect the eye makeup to the nose contour for that seamless soft glam look. And this is the look. See, it's not even that difficult to do, and yet it's a lot of impact, and it's also very elegant. I feel like this can be a bridal makeup or for prom maybe, or something like that. Or I don't know, maybe you guys like the full glam look for every day. You do you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I have a new video up on my channel. So again, my name is Jen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!